Hey y'all, today I'll be showing you my easiest methods for knotless soft locks. But first I wanted to ask you guys if you went and got the killer burgers last week. Yes, girl, I call them killer burgers because they scared me. 1 cent and 50 cents for a cheeseburger? No. Comment down below if you guys went and got one and tell me how it turned out. But anyway, let's get back into this tutorial, guys. I like to add the locks onto my fingers because it just helps me go faster. First, you want to go ahead and have your parts done. Section off your rows so you can begin to braid and add the locks. I'm going to show you my first or my easiest go-to method that helps me to get locks done a whole head in under 3 hours. First, you want to have your square or your section parted off, and you want to try to get that separated into 3 equal pieces, or 3 legs, shall I say, and begin to just braid, or as I say, plait that down to make a braid. Then you're going to stop once you get to a certain extent. Stop the braid. Take one of your 3 legs, open your soft lock, and slide the lock onto one of the 3 legs. Just slide it on it and push it down to secure it. As I'm showing you here, push it down. Then begin back braiding with your 3 legs as you were before you put the lock on to secure it. Just like I'm showing you here. Easy, right? That's my go-to method for doing a soft lock in less than 1 minute. And it's secure. So I'm going to show you guys my second easiest method. This is the first method I ever learned, but it easily became my second go-to method. So first you want to get your 3 legs again and begin doing a plait. This time, instead of stopping at a certain extent, you're going to go ahead and plait it all the way down, braid it all the way down, as I'm showing you here. Okay, next you're going to take your crochet needle, open up the hook. As you see, make sure your hook is open, and take the braid and slide the hook into the braid. Okay, as you see, the hook is inside the braid. Then open your soft lock as I'm showing you here, and with the open hook, slide your soft lock onto it, close the hook, and slide it through the braid. Okay, don't slide it all the way through. Then open your lock back up and slide the closed end of your lock through the open end. Not the braid, not your plait, but just the lock through the hole, and pull it to secure it as you see here. It's nice and secure. It isn't going anywhere, right? That was my first go-to method until the crochet started to slow me down. And then I thought of the second way, which is easier for me. Now I'm going to show you how I wrap my soft locks. You're going to take a piece of the hair, hold it with one hand against the lock, and then I just begin to wrap around the base or the root of her braid. Tight to secure it, but not too tight to where it's uncomfortable for your client. So secure that lock, and then you just begin to twist down. Take your time so that you're ensuring that you're covering their natural hair or their plait so that it doesn't show. So you just twist down. I like to twist down until I'm past their real hair. Make sure you secure the knot that you'll see from the soft lock as well. Just twist it on down, wrap it on down. And then to secure my lock, I just take my 2 hands, put it in between, and just rub it. And it normally secures that hair. And there you have it, a soft lock. This is the back portion. And this is her butt length soft locks done in under 3 hours. Like and subscribe for more.